Does your niche have broad appeal? Viral Memes Part 3. In the last video, we talked about getting into a niche where people are passionate. And while that is necessary, you also need a niche where there are a lot of people that can share and interact with your posts. There may be a segment of people who are passionate about, say, vintage clothing. In fact, there was a store in the downtown area of where we used to live that specialized in vintage clothing from the 1920s, and people were apparently really into that style. But unfortunately, there aren't enough people in that niche. It just doesn't have a broad enough appeal to give a Facebook page enough of a chance of having posts that go viral. Now, there's absolutely nothing wrong with building a Facebook page based around vintage clothing. If that's what you're into and possibly have a business associated with that kind of clothing, by all means, strike out and do what you're passionate about. But understand, you have a limited audience in a niche such as this. Probably only people who love vintage clothing or those kinds of items are going to want to share posts from that page. Now compare that to a page about, say, cats and dogs. Almost everyone loves to see pictures and videos of pets doing something funny or acting a little bit like a human. You don't even have to be a pet owner to appreciate a cute cat video, but you probably have to be a vintage clothing owner to appreciate a nice outfit from that era. That's the difference in a niche that just has passion versus one that has both passion and broad appeal. Find a niche that many people, hundreds of thousands of people, will be interested in. You're looking for a niche where your best videos will get at least 100,000 views. Look at the other Facebook pages on this same topic and see if their videos are getting those numbers of views. If they are close, within 10 to 20,000 views of 100,000, maybe you could do what they're doing, only just do it better. But if their top videos are only getting, say, 30 to 50,000, that's far enough off the 100,000 views that it may be hard to get where you need to go to be viral. The reason 100,000 views are a critical number is because you need the distribution on Facebook to reach enough people to place offers and sponsored posts on your videos and memes. I've found that 100,000 views is about the marker where you can go from earning a few $100s a week to several $1,000s a week. And also, the path from 100,000 views to 1,000,000 views is much easier than it is to get from 10,000 views to 100,000 views. And once you get into millions of views, that's where some very serious money is. The extremely viral posts that get in the tens of millions of views can earn you tens of thousands of dollars with a single post. That's the level where the serious money is. It isn't easy to get there, but that should eventually be your goal. That's it for this video, but stay tuned for our next one where we will explore posting frequency. In other words, how often you should post and your overall commitment to your Facebook page.